Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts easy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Combine these dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then, gently warm 1/2 cup of milk and add 1 egg, mixing well. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and knead until a smooth, elastic dough forms. Cover the bowl and let it rise for approximately 60 minutes. Once your dough has doubled in size, gently punch it down to release the air. Lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough out evenly to about 1/2 inch thick. Now, grab your donut cutter. If you don't have one, a large glass and a small bottle cap work perfectly. Cut out your donut shapes and carefully place them onto squares of parchment paper. This makes transferring them to the fryer much easier. Let these shaped donuts proof again for 20 to 30 minutes. Now for the exciting part, frying. In a deep pot or Dutch oven, heat 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil to a consistent 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slide 1 or 2 donuts into the hot oil using the parchment paper, then remove the paper. Fry each donut for about 60 seconds per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and place them on a wire rack with paper towels underneath to drain any excess oil. Be careful, as the oil is very hot. While your donuts are still warm, it's time to glaze them. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk until smooth. You can also add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring both sides are coated, then return them to the wire rack to set. These homemade donuts are best enjoyed fresh. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, easier-to-make treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.